welcome back to the channel. It's Sarah here, Creating with Sarah. Thanks so much for stopping by in another video. Today's video is simply a little mini haul from Shine Sticker Studio. It was my last order that came in for my spring cleaning that I want to do. So I thought I'd share with you guys what she has to offer. She also has this fun sticker book that I think is super fun. It's got spring related things in it that you can get at Michael's. So if you guys want to check out this little spring haul, then keep on. Alrighty, so welcome back. So again, this is just going to be like a small little sticker haul that I ordered from her. I've had this for a while, just wanted to sit down and share with you what I ordered because I'm finally getting to sit down and plan out my spring cleaning list. And I know a lot of it was in this order that I wanted to use. So I think I ordered this one off of, no, her website. So Chelsea, who is part of Shine Sticker Studio, and her mom, it tells a little bit about them if you guys are new to them, about them, their background information on the back of the sticker book, which they just came out with these. I believe they're out in Michael's all over. I've had this for like, I don't know, a couple weeks or so, at least 2 weeks. So you can definitely pick these up locally at Michael's, or you can order them online on michaels.com. But they're super cute. So she also has a Etsy shop and their own website that you can order from, which has a little bit more than on her Etsy shop. And these are more custom than these, but they're all cute. Okay, so you can definitely sign up through her newsletter, which you can follow them on Facebook and find that information out, or on Instagram. And it's just through email. It's super free, but she always puts out these free samples for each order. I think this mini one is with any purchase, or it may be a minimum of 10. I can't remember, but you definitely have to sign up. But it's so cute. It's very springy-ish. I love these two. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. And then what happens is you get a rewards card. Like, this is one that I filled up, and then you take a picture and you email that to them, and then you pick out your own little sticker sheet. So that's kind of what I did in this order. I had filled out my rewards, like diamonds here, which you get in the free sample, and I opted to get this YouTube sticker sheet because I wanted to use this for social media. I think they're so cute and adorable. I love them. And you do have the option to pick removable matte, or I believe it's removable vinyl. I believe. I always opt for matte because I really like matte stickers, matte paper stickers. So I have this YouTube one, super cute. And then you get, like, also sometimes she'll throw in a little die cut sticker, and this is a little Peeps for Easter. How cute is this? So I love that. And everything came in this cute little bag here. Super cute. All right. I have a stack of stickers here. Okay, I'll try to zoom you guys in. But, okay, so this first one here is a Deco Sheet. It's so cute and Easterish, super fun. I just love Luna and her friend and Star and the Peeps. It's so cute and springy. I've been putting these in my little sticker album, which, let me try to get it out of here. This is a Simply Gilded sticker album. Oh, here's my other card. Nice. I can start with my rewards. Let me put that in there. But I keep them in here. So now I can put my spring ones in here. This thing's almost full. That's awesome. I love it. Okay. So I'll put that one in there. So I'm just going to put this over here. Or, hold on. Make some space. I'll do it like that. Okay. So next we have the spring clean checklist, and this is really tiny, and they're all, oh my gosh, they're all stickers. So you don't have to write any of it. You just use this checklist and just check it off. I love this. I saw this like on her sneak peek release, I think back in March, and I had to order this. I didn't realize it was going to be this small, which doesn't matter because I got this. This is called their jumbo sticker, and I think it's in a kit, but you can just order this on its own. I think it's like $3.50 maybe. But so this is the premium matte. No, I think I got the vinyl one. So with this one, I may have to use well, I don't have to use a Sharpie. What am I thinking? I'm going to use these. So I will put these stickers down and then use, and then check it off. Super easy. So I really don't have to put too much together to make this spring cleaning list, because that's what I was going to do. I have my rough draft that I made on my big happy planner paper here, and I was like categorizing it and writing it out. But this is so much cuter in my planner, and I can just check it off. So I love that. It has so many different things. Wow. So it may have some things that you might want to add if you do things differently, but it has a lot, like clean your mirror, your oven, furniture, clean your floor, dryer vent, dishwasher, curtains, bedding, and you get multiple of the same thing. So you have clean bedding twice, clean curtains like 3 times, clean dishwasher. So like if you're gonna clean, I don't know, different types of bedding in certain bedrooms, or I don't know the case, but it's nice that she gives you multiples of one, or maybe have it for next year. So you have dust blinds, clean the ceilings, dust decor, dust wall decor, wipe walls, wipe baseboards, blankets, yada yada yada, like everything. That's super cool. So I love that I got that. And then I got this longer box to put in my planner, because I think I remember sharing this, that this actually fits in the classic happy planner. It's going to be a little bit smaller than the big happy planner, but I think this is a good size for the classic. Okay, so then I got these. These are actually categorized, and I think she shared this on her Instagram as you could get these tabs that are categorized for each room, like living room, dining room, bathroom, kitchen, and then you could add these in there. I think that's what she did. So she added whatever is that you're cleaning in the category of the room, and then you could stick this on here. Okay, so that's kind of perfect. I love that. Oh, so excited. This is going to make my list so easy and fast. And then I can just decorate it with all the cute stuff. So I did get another option too. I bought all the cleaning Luna characters. So we have vacuum. And, you know, some of these she's happy about it, and some of it she's not. Like, okay, I want to get this over with. This is so cute. And then you get the word vacuum. So that could be an option to put together your planner page spring cleaning list. And then I got laundry. So whether or not I use these for spring cleaning, I can use them, you know, daily. So you can also just make a chart for like laundry days. That's something cute. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. So this is a basket, and then here's her in a pile of clothes. Like, no. I think it's cute. I love the different option of fonts. Cute. Okay, then I got mop. So cute. Again, different expressions of, yes, I love mopping, and not feeling it today. Super cute. And then again, you get to use the title. Comes right out right there. It's so cute. Everything's laser cut. I love that. Oh my gosh, that's so gross.
Oh my gosh.
Gross. I hate spiders. I used my Simply Gilded. Well, this thing was full for a reason. Oh my gosh. I just killed a spider during filming this video, and I don't know whether or not I'm gonna keep it in the video because it really scared me. And I actually like smacked it with my sticker album here. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't even know where I was. But I was talking about these mop stickers, and they're super fun and cute. And now I'm just, you know, in the back of my mind thinking about a spider. I don't like spiders. I really don't. No matter how small they are, they just freak me out. It's one of my, what's it called? I don't remember what the word is, but I just don't like spiders. Oh my gosh. Okay, so yeah, I have 2 mops. So I must have got 2 mops by accident. Super cute though, and I'll have more to make more cleaning list, I guess. Okay, so let's just try to focus here. All right, so now I have dust. Again, I like the 2 options of she's feeling it, she's not, and then the cute, colorful, scripty. Then I got sweep. And okay, I did laundry. All right, so that's what I got. And then I got the YouTube for my freebie for my rewards. And then I did want to share this. If you guys haven't checked out my flip throughs on these sticker books that I've been getting at Michael's. This is one of Shine Sticker Studio's spring one. The names are on the Michael's website. So this one's more of a springy vibe one. It's super cute. So you could totally use this one as well. It has some of the cute characters that I just shared with you guys, but this one has like washing dishes, mowing the lawn. This one has a little broom, just really cute. And then these cute flowers, so like I could use these to decorate my list. Then you have these that say to clean. Also, just wanted to share some options. If you have the big Happy Planner and you have this list pad, this would be a great option to write your spring cleaning list out. You could do it throughout the week and set your goals here, what you want to clean, or you could simply cover this up with the categories, like the spaces in your house, and then write in here what you need to clean in those areas. So I thought this was a cute option for me to use to put in my big Happy Planner, because that's what I currently use right here. So that if you guys are curious, the areas in my house, I have to like kitchen, living room, bathroom, the garage, office, my porch, and then of course our bedrooms and laundry room, which is pretty much I think the whole house. But yeah, so I've rewritten my list out, and so I'm going to put together a spring cleaning list. Okay, so I finished my spring cleaning cute little chart here. I know this is a little extra, but I thought it was super fun and cute to put together. And this is what I came up with. I did use some Happy Planner alphabet letter stickers. I just used what I thought was cute because I didn't have anything for like extra spaces in the house, like the garage that I want to clean out, my office, and then the porch. Yeah, I thought these were super cute. I love the idea of this, especially if you use like a smaller like Hoponichi or something like that, or maybe this would be cute in a Skinny Classic if you use that on the go. But I just love the smaller stickers. It's just super cute and fun, something different. So this was that jumbo sticker I added and cover up the Happy Planner list pad paper if you guys have this. So I just covered that up. I just love the color. And I did add some of these stickers because it has like a lot of cute house stickers and just, I don't know, outside stickers to put down here that I need to clean my porch. And then down here for laundry room. So I ran out of like checklists, or that I thought that would go with, I don't know, the porch and stuff. There wasn't like, sweeping wasn't on here. It's cleaned floors. But that's okay. A lot of the other ones worked out really well. I don't know, this is super cute. I liked how it turned out. So I'll give you guys a close-up. Super cute. So yeah, this video was a little bit different. I'm gonna try to put in the clip, but I was freaked out about that whole spider situation when I was sharing my haul. So that kind of threw me off with filming this video, but hopefully it was entertaining for you all. But I definitely wanted to share, you know, some of the spring cleaning stickers from Shine Sticker Studio in case you guys were interested. I'm sure everyone already has their list up. I'm kind of behind because we just had our spring break. Oh, also I added the little, these right here, so I'll just go ahead and share what I used. I used from the laundry, just the little word vacuum, and then the word mop in one of these, because I have two, and then dust, and then her over here, because I have to dust my office space, and let's see, and this word sweep, and to sweep the porch. And I did use some of my little freebies. I used Star there on his bike, and the flowers. One there and one there. And then, oh, enjoy today as much as I can. I mean, I don't really like doing the floors, like mopping the floors in deep cleaning showers. I'm not a fan of, so. But yeah, I didn't use these, so I'm gonna put those in my sticker album there. But I'm gonna go ahead and place this in my planner here, and I'm just gonna put it before my cover page or my divider in April. And I'm also gonna have my rough draft of my list that I made. But that way here, I can just check it off. It'll be super easy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, definitely give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next one. Take care, stay safe, and happy planning. Bye.